actually just began with this spring.
It's to make you a better shooter. So it watches the movement of the gun to see how well you control the gun when you shoot it, and then it coaches you on how to improve your shooting technique.
You have this product that is content software.
Yeah.
And this
So it's the sensor plus the software, the application.
where you need to with the packet or
It does not matter. You can use any target, no special targets. This could be the problem,
this could be
and this is how to properly
para
shoot.
corregir de corrección.
See, so you can correct yourself, teach yourself.
Yeah, I understand. Yes, I understand.
Sorry?
Yeah.
So any target, take 10 shots. Every shot gets a score. The score tells you how much did you move off the target when you pull the trigger. So this is your first shot. You're aiming. When you pull the trigger, you pull up a little bit. And the second shot, you stayed pretty close on target. Third shot, stay close on target. Fourth shot,
Ahí te tiraste.
Sí,
se me movió yo,
this one you pull to the right. A la derecha.
a la derecha.
Ahí la liaste. So all your shots, many of your shots go up and to the right.
Ahora por abajo.